problem we're trying to solve is how can we make our targets more visible?
So we started, this is really just showing some of kind of like the technology that we were using, and also we started creating some kind of like low fidelity sketches, and then kind of moved on and got to kind of like a really small kind of prototype showing how the Tomometer would work.
In terms of the tech, we had to hook up quite a few different things. We wanted to drive it directly from our CRM, Pipedrive, which not everyone probably is familiar with, but we'll have a little demo on that. That then pushes onto a Laravel API that we had to put in the cloud so Pipedrive can talk to it. We chose Heroku just because it was easy, PaaS system. And then that talks to a little chip service called Particle, which opens an API which Laravel can talk to, which then can drive electrical components. In this case, a step motor. Yeah, just want to prove that Harry did some. Harry got his hands dirty with the making of this product. He was instrumental in everything that. Yeah, just some progress is to like sort of banging our heads against the wall trying to get this all put together.
I have no idea the camera was.
And what is actually in the box, which you'll see in a second, we have a power supply, a battery, and the Photon chip, which is in the middle there, which you can program on. And then we have a step motor, which is really important because you can't just use a motor because it will just spin. We have no idea what angle we need to get the hand to, so we have to use a step motor to basically count the amount of steps to go around on that angle. So yeah, we had to work out how to all put that together.
So who's ready to see the Tomometer?
I am. Unveil it in the office. Ta-da!
So you guys have to do the slide.
Okay. So we're now going to do a demo of it in action. Yeah, so we're going to reenact a real life scenario here, where a client will come and give us a good news that we've won a project. Hello.
Hi,
Yeah, this is Siji from Cyberduck. How are you doing? Oh, anyway, how can I help? Oh, awesome. That's fantastic news. Alright, thank you. See you later. Okay. So, we've got the good news. We now update Pipedrive with Project 1, and this should make the Tomometer move. Now, you can imagine if we were to get another call from this same person again, saying, so actually, we've changed our mind again, because you want to turn up to meetings, we don't want to work with Cyberduck anymore, so I now have to mark it as lost. We should see the Tomometer go back down. No. So, this shows that the tool is working. Thanks, guys. So this shows how the tool actually works, and we've also done a little bit extra with the time that we had. We created a duck piñata, as you can see. So it's filled with loads of goodies. When we hit our sales target as per the Tomometer, the team will get a chance to smack it down and all the goodies will come out. But we can't tell you what's inside it yet because it's a secret until we hit the target.
Yeah, so for future innovations, we're thinking of adding a display to the actual product itself. So there's more visual elements to it, and with this as well, there'll be a digital dashboard that we'd create, and it would have a touchscreen display which you could change the displays to make it more relevant to you. We're also looking to attach a speaker as well, so maybe Tom could say like a catchphrase when it goes all the way to green. And we also want to incorporate Alexa into the product, such as Alexa, show me how close we are to hitting our target, and then you use the speaker again to tell you that. So it's more audio elements as well. And then other applications, we're looking at the charity fundraisers. We feel like it's a good element to have a visual element showing how much has been funded for the fundraiser. It gives people, the visual kind of cue of how much is left to go. So an example of this would be Goods for Goods. We're looking to test it at one of their next events. So you could track how many, the amount of funds that were donated to the charity, and also for online polls as well to show the different standings of the polls.
So in conclusion, we're really proud of what we achieved in the 36 hours we had for this hackathon. The product that we created was bug-free, so Gareth worked tirelessly on it. There was such a lot of tech that went into it, and the fact that we only had one developer in the team, and Gaz was able to do most of it. Was a real kind of testament to him. I mean, we all tried to help out with some of the troubleshooting, but really he's a true hero here. And the fact we had no designers as well, so it's a great opportunity for new members of the team. This is the first hackathon for both Mamta and Thomas, so you've got to understand a little bit more about how our process works from start to finish. They both got their hands dirty with the design and of the product as well, and it was actually a lot of the future innovations for the tool came from them as well, so they really invested themselves into what we were doing. And we feel those products will be really valuable for Cyberc as a whole. It's going to have pride and place in the office right there. And every day we walk past now, you can see how close we are to hitting the pinata. Thank you.
Yeah.